Best survival gear and equipment on Amazon. When venturing into the great outdoors or preparing for unexpected emergencies, having reliable survival gear can be the difference between comfort and chaos. From fire starters to multifunctional tools, the world of survival equipment is filled with innovative gadgets designed to keep you safe, warm, and well prepared. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a weekend camper, or simply someone who values preparedness, these amazing survival tools from Amazon are must-haves. Instafire Plasma Lighter. The Instafire Plasma Lighter is an advanced fire-starting tool that redefines the art of ignition. Forget struggling with wet matches or unreliable lighters. This sleek and compact plasma lighter uses electricity to create a windproof and waterproof plasma arc that can light just about anything in seconds. With a rechargeable battery, it eliminates the need for disposable lighters, making it an eco-friendly and long-lasting option. What makes this plasma lighter stand out is its dependability in adverse conditions. Whether you're facing heavy rain, high winds, or freezing temperatures, the Instafire Plasma Lighter won't fail you. It's perfect for lighting campfires, gas stoves, or emergency candles with ease. Lightweight and easy to pack, this gadget is an essential addition to any survival kit, offering peace of mind and instant ignition when you need it most. FlexTail Mosquito Repeller. The FlexTail Mosquito Repeller is a small yet powerful device designed to protect you from those pesky, buzzing invaders. This portable gadget creates a mosquito-free zone by releasing a safe, odorless repellent, ensuring your outdoor adventures remain itch-free. Its compact size and rechargeable battery make it perfect for camping, hiking, or backyard barbecues. Unlike sprays and lotions, the FlexTail Mosquito Repeller doesn't leave a sticky residue or unpleasant smell. Its effectiveness lasts for hours, covering a significant area around you. Whether you're enjoying the serene evening by the campfire or trekking through dense forests, this device ensures that mosquitoes won't ruin your experience. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's an indispensable tool for anyone who spends time outdoors. Ned Foss Pocket Knife. The Ned Foss Pocket Knife combines durability, precision, and portability in one sleek package. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this folding knife is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from slicing rope to preparing food. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it reliable even during extended use. This knife isn't just about functionality. It's a survivalist's best friend. In emergency situations, a dependable blade can make all the difference, whether you're cutting materials for shelter, processing firewood, or defending yourself. With its compact design, the Ned Foss Pocket Knife fits easily in your pocket or survival kit, ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. Rugged yet elegant, it's a tool you can count on time and time again. Wayland Auger Wrench. The Wayland Auger Wrench is a brilliant multifunctional tool that combines an auger drill bit with a wrench, making it invaluable for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. The auger bit allows you to drill holes in wood effortlessly, while the wrench functionality helps secure bolts and other hardware. This tool is built from premium steel to withstand the toughest conditions. Its versatility makes it a standout piece of survival gear. Need to construct a sturdy shelter or create furniture in the wilderness? The Wayland Auger Wrench can make it happen with ease. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry in your pack, ensuring you have a reliable tool for all your woodworking or construction needs. Whether you're building a camp or repairing gear, this tool is a game changer. Suproc Survival Shovel. The Suproc Survival Shovel is more than just a shovel. It's a multi-purpose tool packed with features to tackle any survival situation. Made from military-grade materials, this folding shovel doubles as a saw, pickaxe, bottle opener, and even a fire starter. Its modular design allows you to adjust its length and functionality, making it suitable for digging, chopping, and cutting tasks. This survival shovel is the ultimate do-it-all tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're clearing snow, digging fire pits, or breaking through tough terrain, the Suproc Survival Shovel delivers unmatched performance. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, yet it's robust enough to handle heavy-duty tasks. For anyone venturing into the wilderness, this tool is an essential addition to your gear collection. Scrade Skax 2 Liters Axe. The Scrade Skax 2 Liters Axe is a rugged and versatile tool that combines durability with precision. Designed for chopping wood, splitting logs, and other heavy-duty tasks, this axe features a sharp blade made from high-carbon steel and an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. Its lightweight design ensures it's easy to carry, despite its powerful capabilities. What sets this axe apart is its reliability in survival situations. Whether you're building shelter, creating firewood, or defending yourself, the Scrade Skax 2 Liters is up to the task. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, yet it's strong enough to handle the toughest challenges. For campers, hikers, and preppers, this axe is an indispensable tool that combines practicality with power. 4 Patriots Water Heater. The 4 Patriots Water Heater is a portable and efficient device designed to provide hot water on demand, even in remote locations. This solar-powered gadget is perfect for heating water for cooking, cleaning, or bathing without relying on electricity or fuel. Its compact design makes it easy to pack and transport. This water heater is a game changer for survival situations. Clean, hot water isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity, especially when hygiene and warmth are critical. The 4 Patriots Water Heater ensures you can stay comfortable and safe, no matter where you are. Eco-friendly and easy to use, it's a must-have for anyone preparing for emergencies or heading into the wild. Gosen Go Camping Stove. The Gosen Go Camping Stove is a solar-powered marvel that allows you to cook meals without fuel or fire. Using advanced solar technology, this portable stove reaches high temperatures to bake, boil, or fry food in just minutes. Its lightweight and compact design make it ideal for camping trips and emergency situations. What makes this stove extraordinary is its eco-friendly operation and versatility. Whether you're in the wilderness or facing a power outage, the Gosen Go Camping Stove ensures you can enjoy hot meals with ease. Its innovative design eliminates the need for propane or wood, reducing your environmental footprint. For adventurers and survivalists alike, this stove is a practical and sustainable cooking solution. Tiny Survival Card. The Tiny Survival Card is a credit card-sized tool that packs an impressive array of survival essentials. Made from durable stainless steel, this card includes mini knives, fishing hooks, and saw blades, all cleverly designed to fit in your wallet or pocket. Despite its small size, it's a highly functional tool for emergency situations. This survival card is perfect for those who value preparedness and portability. Whether you're fishing, cutting, or repairing gear, it provides the tools you need in a pinch. Its compact design ensures it's always within reach, making it a practical addition to any survival kit. Lightweight and discreet, the Tiny Survival Card proves that big things can come in small packages. CellVault XL Storage Case. The CellVault XL storage case is a waterproof and impact-resistant container designed to keep your essentials safe and organized. Whether you're storing batteries, medications, or small tools, this durable case protects its contents from the elements. Its compact design allows it to fit easily in your backpack or survival kit. What makes this case stand out is its reliability and versatility. In survival situations, keeping your gear dry and accessible is crucial, and the CellVault XL delivers on both fronts. Its rugged construction ensures it can withstand harsh conditions, while its lightweight design makes it easy to carry. For anyone serious about preparedness, this storage case is an indispensable tool.